What if you could learn nursing with the resources and technology designed to prepare you for the real world? At Verve College, students have access to fantastic nursing learning resources and technology that make education more engaging and practical. From understanding essential nursing concepts to developing clinical knowledge, you'll have tools that can help you learn, practice, and build confidence. Technology and modern learning resources can help connect classroom education with the skills you'll need in today's healthcare environment. Whether you're beginning your nursing journey or preparing for the next step in your career, having the right resources can make a difference. Invest in your education. Build your nursing future with Verve College. Locations Chicago and Oak Brook, Illinois. Visit www.vervecollege.edu. Email inquiry at vervecollege.edu. Call 63-0705-9999 or 3129-208-822. Verve College, where your nursing future starts.